Welcome to the Basics Hub. In today's video, we're sharing 10 creative DIY home decor ideas that will transform your space without breaking the bank. Whether you're looking to refresh a room or add a personal touch to your home, these projects are perfect for beginners and can be completed with minimal tools and materials. Let's get started on your journey to a more beautiful home. Idea 1. Upcycled mason jar vases. Our first DIY project is upcycled mason jar vases. These are perfect for adding a rustic touch to your decor. Clean and remove labels from mason jars. Paint them with chalk paint or wrap them in twine for a natural look. Fill with fresh or dried flowers. Use these vases as centerpieces on your dining table or as accents on shelves. Idea 2. DIY wall art with canvas and paint. Next, let's create some unique wall art using canvas and paint. This is a great way to express your creativity. Purchase a blank canvas from a craft store. Use acrylic paints to create abstract designs or patterns. Let it dry and hang it on your wall. You can even use painter's tape to create geometric shapes for a modern look. Idea 3. Fabric-covered bulletin board. A fabric-covered bulletin board is both functional and stylish. Let's see how to make one. Start with a corkboard and your choice of fabric. Cut the fabric to size, leaving extra for folding over the edges. Use a staple gun to secure the fabric to the back of the board. This board can be used for notes, photos, or inspiration in your home office or kitchen. Idea 4. Painted flower pots. Brighten up your indoor or outdoor plants with painted flower pots. This is a simple and fun project. Choose terracotta pots and clean them. Use acrylic paint to create designs or patterns on the pots. Seal with a clear spray sealant for outdoor use. These colorful pots can add personality to your garden or windowsill. Idea 5. DIY floating shelves. Floating shelves are a stylish way to display decor or books. Let's learn how to make and install them. Use wooden boards and brackets or a floating shelf kit. Cut the wood to your desired length and sand the edges. Install brackets on the wall and place the shelves on top. These shelves are perfect for showcasing plants, photos, or your favorite books. Idea 6. Personalized photo gallery wall. Creating a personalized photo gallery wall is a great way to display your favorite memories. Gather your favorite photos in frames. Lay out the frames on the floor to find the best arrangement. Hang the frames on the wall using nails or picture hooks. Mix and match frame styles and sizes for an eclectic look. DIY candle holders can add warmth and ambiance to any room. Let's create some together. Use glass jars or old candle holders. Paint the outside with frosted glass spray or acrylic paint. Place a tea light or votive candle inside. These candle holders can be used for dinner parties or as cozy decor. Idea 8. Customized throw pillows. Customized throw pillows can instantly refresh your living space. Here's how to make your own. Purchase plain pillow covers or use old ones. Use fabric paint or iron-on transfers to add designs or quotes. Let dry completely before using. These pillows can add a pop of color and personality to your sofa or bed. Idea 9. DIY wreath for your front door. A DIY wreath can welcome guests to your home. Let's create a simple one. Start with a grapevine wreath base. Attach faux flowers, greenery, or seasonal decorations using a hot glue gun. Add a ribbon for hanging. Change the decoration seasonally for a fresh look throughout the year. Idea 10. DIY rug from old t-shirts. Our final project is a DIY rug made from old t-shirts. This is a great way to recycle fabric and add texture to your space. Cut old t-shirts into strips, braid or crochet the strips together to form a rug shape. Secure the edges with fabric glue or sew them together. This rug can add a cozy touch to your living room or bedroom. These 10 DIY home decor ideas are not only budget-friendly, but also allow you to express your creativity and personalize your space. Remember, the best part of DIY projects is making them your own. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed these DIY home decor ideas, please like, share, and subscribe to the Basics Hub for more creative projects. We'd love to see your DIY creations, so share your photos in the comments below.